Welcome to KP Points. In this lecture, we discuss top 100 question of phycology, lichenology and bryology. This lecture important for BSc or MSc botany. Let's start. First question. The study of algae is known as bryology? No. Mycology? No. Phycology? Yes. Question number 2. The habitat of majority of algae is terrestrial? No. Aquatic? Yes. Correct answer is B. Now question number 3. Which of the following is a marine brown algae? Spirogyra? No. Alva? No. Sargassum? Yes. Sargassum is a brown algae. Brown algae, marine, found in marine water or ocean water. Clear? Question number 4. The algal group with the highest number of marine forms is Rhodophyceae? Yes. Number 5. The algal body may be differentiated into holdfast, stipe and blade in Spirogyra? No. Fucus? Yes. Now question number 6. The brown algae belongs to the division Chlorophyta? No, because Chlorophyta known as green algae. Phaeophyta? Yes. Phaeophyta also known as brown algae. Number 7. Which pigments give the characteristic brown color to Phaeophyceae? Phycoerythrin? No, because phycoerythrin give red color. Fucoxanthin? Yes, fucoxanthin gives brown color for Phaeophyceae or brown algae. Number 8. The red color of red algae is due to phycocyanin? No, phycocyanin give blue color. Fucoxanthin? No, fucoxanthin give brown color. Phycoerythrin? Yes, because phycoerythrin give red color. Number 9. The unicellular flagellated algae found in fresh water are mostly Spirogyra? No. Volvox? No. Chlamydomonas? Yes. Number 10. Agar-agar is obtained from Laminaria? No. Gelidium and Gracilaria? Yes. Question number 11. Carrageen is commercially extracted from Cara? No. Porphyra? Chlorella? No. Gracilaria? Yes. Now, question number 12. Diatomaceous earth is formed from cellulose deposits? No. Silica cells of diatoms? Yes. Question number 13. Alginic acid is obtained from red algae? No. Green algae? No. Brown algae? Yes. Now question number 14. Chlorella is used as biofertilizer? No. Source of protein and oxygen producer? Yes. Number 15. The first photosynthetic eukaryotes on earth were likely fungi? No. Cyanobacteria? Yes, cyanobacteria are photosynthetic, but they are prokaryotes, not eukaryotes. Green algae? Yes. Correct answer is C. Now question number 16. Algae are ecologically important because they cause disease in plants? No. Act as decomposers? No. Produce oxygen? Yes. Through photosynthesis? Yes. Number 17. Some algae form symbiotic association with fungi to form mycorrhiza? No. Lichen? Yes. Number 18. Which of the following algae are used as biofertilizer in rice fields? Nostoc and Anabaena? Yes. Question number 19. Laminaria and Macrocystis are known for their small unicellular form? No. Gigantic marine thallus? Yes. Largest algae or longest Macrocystis up to 100 meter. Number 20. Algae contribute to soil fertility mainly by adding nitrogen and organic matter? Yes. Correct answer is A. Now, this is top 20 question of unit 2nd, algal diversity, ecology and economic importance. Now next, unit 3rd, 20 questions from lichens. Lichens are a symbiotic association between algae and fungi? Yes. Number 2, the algal component in lichens is known as algal component. Scientifically term for algae is phyco. So component of algae known as phyco. Mycobiont? No. Photobiont? Yes. Correct is phycobiont or photobiont because of light. Number 3, the fungal component in lichen is known as mycobiont. Yes. Lichen symbiotic association between algae or fungus. Yes. Fungus component known as mycobiont or algae component known as phycobiont. Clear? Phycobiont or algae are photosynthetic or fungus are heterotrophic or absorptive type of nutrition. Clear? Algae provide food for fungus. In case of algae, they don't have roots. So mycobiont or fungus provide mineral and nutrition or water for algae. Clear? Now question number 4. The algal partner in lichens prepare foods by fermentation? No. Photosynthesis? Yes. Number 5. The fungal partner in lichens help in nitrogen fixation? No. Water and mineral absorption? Yes. Question number 6. The most common algae partner in lichens belongs to Rhodophyceae? No. Cyanophyceae and Chlorophyceae? Yes. Question number 7. In most lichens, the fungal partner belongs to Ascomycetes? Yes. Now question number 8. Lichens are divided morphologically into how many types? 2, no, 3, yes. Name the 3 class or types in comment section. Question number 9. The 3 main types of lichens are crustose? Yes. Foliose? Yes. Fruticose? Yes. Number 10. Crustose lichens are leaf-like and loosely attached? No. Shrubby and branched? No. Crust-like? Yes. Closely attached to the substratum? Yes. Number 11. Foliose lichen are characterized by cushion-like? No. Leaf-like, lobed thallus? Yes. Number 12. Fruticose lichen have leaf-like thallus? No. Erect, cylindrical or branched thallus? Yes. Number 13. The upper cortex in a lichen thallus mainly provides photosynthesis? No. Protection? Yes. Question number 14. The medulla in a lichen thallus consists of compact fungal hyphae? No. Loosely interwoven fungal hyphae? Yes. Now next is 15. Lichens produce primarily by seeds? No. Fragmentation? Yes. Soredia and Isidia? Yes. Now question number 16. Soredia are sexual spores? No. Vegetative propagule containing algal and fungal cells? Yes. Number 17. Isidia differ from Soredia in being smaller in size? No. Outgrowth from the thallus surface? Yes. Number 18. Lichens are very sensitive to dust? No. Air pollution, sulfur dioxide? Yes. Now question number 19. Lichens are used in dye and perfume industries? Yes. Antibiotic production? Yes. Soil formation? Yes. All of the above? Yes. And last question of unit 3rd. The first colonizers of bare rocks in ecological succession are often mosses? No. Lichens? Yes. Most 20 MCQs of unit 4, bryophytes, marsupials and jungerminals. Bryophytes are also known as amphibians of the plant kingdom? Yes. Number 2. The main plant body in bryophytes is sporophyte? No, because sporophyte diploid. And main plant body of bryophyte are haploid. Gametophyte? Yes. Number 3. In bryophytes, the zygote develops into gametophyte? No. Sporophyte? Yes. Question number 4. The sexual organs in bryophytes are unicellular? No. Multicellular and jacketed? Yes. Now, question number 5. The male sex organ in bryophytes is called archegonium? No. Antheridium? Yes. Question number 6. The female sex organ in bryophytes is called archegonium? Yes. Antheridium male sex organ. Number 7. The first division of bryophytes include Anthocerotopsida? No. Markensioptopsida? Hepatis? Yes. Number 8. The dominant phase of the bryophyte life cycle is haploid gametophyte? Yes, because main plant body of bryophyte are gametophyte. Number 9. The sporophyte of Markensia is dependent on soil only? No. Gametophyte? Yes. So, sporophyte of Markensia depend on gametophyte of Markensia. Number 10. In Markensia, the male reproductive branch is called archegoniophore? No. Antheridiophore? Yes. Now, question number 11. The female reproductive branch of Markensia is archegoniophore? Yes. Number 12. The Markensia thallus shows dorsoventral symmetry? Yes. Number 13. The function of gemma cups in Markensia is sexual reproduction? No. Asexual reproduction? Vegetative? Yes. Number 14. The gemma in Markensia are haploid? Yes. Gemma or gemmy or gammy cup, haploid, asexual. Question number 15. Jungermannials are commonly known as hornworts? No. Leafy liverworts? Yes. Number 16. The sporophyte of bryophytes consist of capsule? Yes. Seta? Yes. Foot? Yes. Is that meant foot, seta, capsule? Number 17. Rhizoids in Markensia are unicellular and smooth-walled? Yes. In some. Multicellular and tuberculate? Yes. Both smooth and tuberculate types? Yes. Number 18. The capsule wall in bryophyte, sporophyte is responsible for spore production? No. Spore protection? Yes. Number 19. The Jungermannials differ from Markensials in having thallus gametophyte? No. Leafy gametophyte? Yes. Number 20. The main mode of vegetative propagation in liverworts is fragmentation and gemmy formation? Yes. Correct answer is A. Now we discuss top 25 MCQs of Unit 5, bryophytes, anthocerotales, sphagnales, funerales, and others. Question number 1. Anthocerotales are commonly known as mosses? No. Liverworts? No. Hornworts? Yes. Now, question number 2. The most characteristic feature of Anthoceros is presence of leafy gametophyte? No. Sporophyte with a long horn-like capsule? Yes. Number 3. In Anthoceros, the sporophyte is a completely dependent on gametophyte? No. Partially independent photosynthetic? Yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. The sporophyte of Anthoceros continues to grow due to apical cell? No. Intercalary meristem? Yes. Number 5. Nostoc colonies are often found in the thallus of Markensia? No. Rixia? No. Anthoceros? Yes. Question number 6. The capsule of Anthoceros dehisces by lid? No. Longitudinal slits? Yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 7. Sphagnum is commonly called peat moss? Yes. Now, question number 8. The unique feature of sphagnum leaves is presence of stomata? No. Two types of cells, chlorophyllous and hyaline? Yes. Now, question number 9. Sphagnum is ecologically important because it fixes nitrogen? No. Forms extensive peat bogs? Yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 10. Peat is formed due to decomposition of sphagnum? Yes. In acidic anaerobic condition? Yes. Question number 11. Funaria is commonly known as hair cap moss? No. Cord moss? Yes. 11. B. Number 12. In Funaria, the protonema give rise to sporophyte directly? No. Gametophytic leafy plant? Yes. 13. The sporophyte of Funaria consists of capsule only? No. Capsule, seta and foot? Yes. Number 14. Elaters in bryophyte helps in fertilization? No. Water absorption? No. Spore dispersal? Yes. Number 15. The peristome teeth in Funaria are involved in spore germination? No. Spore dispersal regulation? Yes. Question number 16. The archegonia in sphagnum are borne on antheradial branch? No. Archegonial branch? Yes. Number 17. The seta of sphagnum is long and photosynthetic? No. Short and non-photosynthetic? No. Absent? No. Replaced by pseudopodium? Yes. Correct answer is D. Now question number 18. The sporophyte of sphagnum is attached to gametophyte by foot? Yes. 19. In Funaria, meiosis occur in capsule wall? No. Spore mother cell? Yes. Correct answer is B. Now question number 20. Protonema is characteristic of liverworts only? No. Hornworts only? No. Mosses? Yes. Number 21. Which bryophyte shows both vegetative and asexual reproduction through fragmentation and jammy cup formation or gamy? Rixia? No. Anthoceros? No. Sphagnum? Yes. Number 22. Pseudopodium in sphagnum is a part of gametophyte? Yes. Number 23. The number of peristome teeth in Funaria is 8? No. 16? No. 32? Yes. 24. Anthocerotales differ from Markinsitales mainly in types of thallus? No. Nature of sporophyte? Yes. Number 25 and last of this lecture or unit 5th, the dominant phase in the life cycle of bryophyte is sporophytic? No. Gametophytic? Yes. And gametophyte haploid in nature. This is all about phycology, lichenology and bryology. Most important objective question or MCQs. If you like it, then comment yes in comment section. And if you want more, then comment yes in comment section.